So let's start from a quick overview of HubSpot. HubSpot is CRM, a customer relationship management system, where you can manage all your relationships with all your customers. You can check activities, you can combine all your integrations, all your external apps into HubSpot, and create some effective campaigns, like sales campaigns in HubSpot, manage your team, you manage your team in HubSpot. So this is an interface. On the left side, you see there are different menu items. The first one is like bookmarks. It's possible to add up to 5 bookmarks. Let's say if we go to the workspaces or like CRM, we can click on this button. It will be added to the bookmarks, and then you can reach contacts quite fast. So there are different categories in this menu, like CRM, marketing, content, commerce, automations, reporting, data management, library, breeze. So it depends also on your subscriptions, what you would see here. Let me take it over. So that is it. On the top side, you have a search bar, so you can search different items. You can search records. You can search some other things in HubSpot. It's very important. And in terms of data, HubSpot has different items like objects, properties, records, and values. Let me show you if we go to library, data management, and then we will find data model. You see that HubSpot has different objects. So CRM objects like standard objects are companies, contacts, courses. It's also like a standard object that can be added if you are like a company, educational company, whatever, if you are selling courses, and also tickets. There are sales objects in HubSpot like deals, leads, line items, quotes, subscriptions. Custom objects are available only in enterprise. And so you can, if standard objects standard objects are not enough for your company, then you can create custom objects. Then activities. Activities is actually what you are doing. You are calling to your prospects and contacts. You send in LinkedIn messages. Maybe you are emailing them. You leave notes. You can also connect the postal, email, WhatsApp messengers. So it's all the activity that you are doing. Each activity is like a separate object in HubSpot, and you see different arrows and associations here. For example, if you go to companies, you can click on it. You see that companies are associated with tickets, with contacts, with courses, with activities. Also with all the sales object, excluding line items. Line items are associated with deals only. You can see this also thing like this mark. It means that each company can be associated to many contacts. Associations, standard associations in HubSpot are defined. In most cases, I think there are more than enough to use, so you don't need to customize it unless you have some custom data in HubSpot. You have some maybe custom processes. In this case, you can customize it. It's also possible. But just checking each object here, you can understand how each object is associated with another one. If it is a one-to-many, or if it's many-to-one, etc. So yeah, that is it. Let's get back to our objects. You see that if we click on here, you see all the objects that are accessible by us from this button. While contacts is an object, and each contact can have properties. Properties are different characteristics of this object. So, for example, this is a contact, Leonore Shellstrop, and we have a lifecycle stage. This is property. We have a lead status. This is property. explains how you're interacting with this customer, provides some information like email. Email is the main property for the contact. We have a phone number, contact tone. There are a lot of standard properties in HubSpot. Also address, etc. So these are all properties. And there are also records. Eleanor Shellstrop is a record. So while property is explaining and providing us various data about this specific record, Eleanor Shellstrop is a record. So again, if we go to companies, for example, companies, like in general, companies is an object, but individually, each company is a record. So for example, company record web node. Okay, this is a company record. Then if we maybe let's say Luke's Diner, it's also a company record that has different properties, like company domain name, industry. You can properties can be like text type, properties can be drop down select. So this is a drop down select where you can choose a property value. So property value is another thing that you should understand. So each property has a value, or it can so sometimes this property can be empty. In this case, the value is also empty. So company domain name is property, but what is this property? What is the property value? Property value is luxdinner.com. This is a property value of this company. So this is property, company domain name, and luxdinner.com is a property value. So these are the main parts that you should understand in terms of HubSpot data. And you can also read a lot of maybe documentations, knowledge documents in HubSpot. You should understand what is object, what is property, what is record, and what is value of the property. Okay, that is it. Let's go back again, and so again, in the top menu, you can search for records, you can search for properties. In HubSpot, you can see that upgrading opportunities here. You can see calling here. Also, if we click on this button, you see that we have a marketplaces in HubSpot. In the apps marketplace, you can find various apps to integrate to HubSpot. It's a native apps. It means that HubSpot already recognize them, and the integration is already done. So all you need to do is just to configure, to install and configure this app. Let's say it's the same as iTunes Store or App Store. So you have a smartphone, you have an iPhone, and in App Store you can download different apps. The same way in HubSpot, you have a HubSpot CRM, and in the apps marketplace you can download apps. And the same way for templates. Templates is our templates for websites. So if you're using HubSpot Content Hub, in this case, you can go to the templates marketplace and choose different templates. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. So the same as in App Store. So in Solutions directory, there is a list of HubSpot partners like me and my company. We are also HubSpot partners. Different partners can be listed here, and you can filter them by country, you can filter them by skills, etc. Okay, that is it. Also in HubSpot, you have different like Hub support. So there are you can just Google some questions sometimes, and knowledge base articles contain a lot of useful information that you can read. Settings. Settings in HubSpot are also available. On the left side, you see that HubSpot has a lot of settings, a lot of items, and when you click on some of them, then you can see the values of these items inside the right sidebar. That is it. So you can so check all these items. What you should understand here is that there are some personal preferences. It's meaning that preference for you as a user, and account management. Account management, here you're setting up these preferences for the whole company, for the whole HubSpot account and all your users. So these are only for you. If you are as a sales executive or CEO, you can set up different things in personal things in your preferences. What I recommend you to do from the beginning is go into your profile, like choose your picture, um, first name, last name, set up your language that you want to use in HubSpot, date, time, and number format, your phone number. Also, you can set up a default home page. So when you sign into HubSpot, there will be a default home page. You can click on it and find a default home page. For example, you might want to see your contacts. Then you can click on contacts and click on save. In this case, you can go to this page, contacts page, when you sign into HubSpot, when you open it. Okay, that is it. That is the general review of HubSpot. The only thing that I also want to add is HubSpot has a Copilot. Is also an artificial intelligence. You can type a message here. You can ask different questions about HubSpot. So, for example, if you want to look for some specific companies, like if you have some companies in in your country, or companies from your specific like state or maybe city, you can ask these data questions to Copilot, and Copilot will find these companies, and you can use it sometimes instead of different filters. But there are also other functions of the Copilot. If you click on the account, you see that there is your account, your email. Again, you can go to profile preferences, your account. Also, you see that you can go to your account setup. There are some recommendations by HubSpot that you can use to set up your account. Then you can invite your team. We'll work on it later. You can see account and billing. If you are CEO, if you are responsible for the billing, you can go here. HubSpot Academy. At HubSpot Academy, you can find various courses by HubSpot that you can learn. If you're a sales executive, you can also find some interesting courses showing how you can use HubSpot. Pricing and features, explaining pricing and features of HubSpot. You can compare different pricing and also different items that the specific HubSpot hub provide. Product updates also available in the settings. You can check out for the possible product updates. In the projects, you can see various predefined tasks that you can use for training services. You can also check it if need. This is our HubSpot services that HubSpot can provide to you. Okay, so this is an overview of HubSpot account. Thank you.